add a React Report Designer to your application in 60 seconds.
In this video, we'll show you how to easily add a React Report Designer to your application using ActiveReportsJS and Vite. To begin, we'll need to add references for the ActiveReportsJS library. To do this, we'll be using npm to add the library to the application. In the terminal, run the command npm install /ActiveReportsJS-React at latest.
Next, we'll create a report template, which we can use to load into the designer at runtime. In the public folder, create a new file called report.rdlx-json. We'll add some JSON, which will be used as the template for the report that will be loaded into the designer. Now, we're going to import the designer, as well as our CSS file and the React package in the app.jsx file. Next, we'll add the required markup to use the report designer. First, we'll add the template tags, create a development, and give it the ID designer host. This will allow us to style the container that holds the report designer. Inside of the div, we'll reference the designer component that we imported previously and binding the report that we created to the designer. Lastly, we're going to need to make sure that everything is properly styled. First, we'll import the two required CSS files for the designer. The first is for the core UI and the second is specifically for the designer. Then, we'll add some additional CSS to style the container of the designer.
Now, when we run the application, we'll be able to see the report designer, as well as
Create, edit, and save reports.
And that's all that it takes to implement a report designer in React using ActiveReportsJS and Vite. Download a free trial today at developer.meshiest.com.